Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech11 by Usha and myself Usha. In Windows 11, now we have a dedicated shortcut to change narrator voice. Previously, we had to open narrator settings by hitting Windows Ctrl N and then tap to
choose a voice, Microsoft David Desktop, English.
Choose a voice combo box and then select the option. But now we have a dedicated shortcut. And the shortcut is Alt plus narrator followed by plus key to change voice in forward direction. Plus key is nothing but your equal sign key in QWERTY keyboard. Okay, so I'm hitting Alt, narrator followed by plus.
George,
Susan, Hazel, Zira.
To change voice in reverse, hit Alt plus narrator followed by minus key. Minus key is nothing but your hyphen key. Okay, so Alt, narrator, minus.
Hazel, Susan,
George, David.
Narrator key is nothing but your caps lock key or your insert key. Thank you.